What's up? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Hope you're feeling blessed, feeling well, feeling healthy, you know? Hope it's been good. We got a good one coming in today from Dashcam Academy. We're going to be reacting to Crazy Car Crash Compilation. So, yeah, let's see what they got in store for us today.
A little more. 85. 84.
Alright, so green light. Trying to turn left. No turn signal. Oh, now it's on. Okay.
Oh my God. Jesus. Holy
U.S. Congress.
Wow, wow, wow.
The Senate and House of Representatives.
I hope they're all okay. Oh! Oh my God! Oh, they're all okay. They could have been so much safer. No, 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 no. I really, really hope everybody is okay. I hope they're okay. Stay in your lane, bud. That person driving handled that way better than a lot of people. What in the world are you doing? You legit could have killed that man. He was on a motorcycle. You gotta be careful around them, bro. It's raining.
Holy smokes. Wow.
Oh. Yeah. Like, nothing to say there, because they run the red light also, like... Oh, underran the red light. You gotta stay off your phones, pay attention to the road.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
So red... Whoa. Kinda look like anybody got injured, so that's a good thing. Gotta pay attention. Never know when somebody in front of you might stop or when something unexpected might happen. You gotta be careful, man. All the time.
With greater challenges, their commitment grows stronger. That's the power of you. Learn more at uoflhealth.org. From VO Studio, a branding and marketing agency.
Can't be doing that. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Could eventually make 1,200 a day. But let's assume
That was a little crazy, man.
to account for illness or unforeseen happenings. That's the most we can produce per day. That might give us close to our 10,000.
Not really sure what just happened right there. No, 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 no. That could have been so much worse than what it was. I couldn't see the lights, so I don't know who had the right of way there. I don't know who was in the wrong.
Honey? Damn!
Handled pretty well. Okay. Nah, bro. You didn't have to do that. Like, that was easily avoidable, bro. Come on. You get over here huffing and puffing. Like, you could have avoided that, my guy. Come on. Like, you had plenty of time to react to that one. This dude's an idiot. He literally just hit that man. Being impatient.
O kurwa. Czekaj, Hubeciś.
So we got a rear camera in the top corner. What's going on there, Phil? You just good? What in the world is that? Good reactions to this driver.
No, I do.
We applaud you.
What is it about him? No. Right.
Like, I didn't even see that
Did you
till
go
last
on a
second.
holiday,
Oh,
or-
no.
I've never been on a plane. Hang on a minute. Have you ever been on holiday? No. How old are you? 28. That's amazing.
Lots to him for being able to hit the brakes that fast and come to a complete stop. Stay tight at least, bro. Like, oh, they literally like were swinging that as far as could be. Were they on ice? Was it wet? Ice? That would be my guess, is the roads are wet or the roads are icy. Because it didn't seem like they were going that fast, and it seemed like they attempted to stop. But it looks like they slid. I wonder if they had their blinker on. They probably didn't have their blinker on, to be honest. Let's see. Blinker? I don't see a blinker. Alright. That was really interesting. That was a really good one. I enjoyed that. I hope you guys liked that. That was pretty entertaining. That was a good one. A lot of ones that shouldn't have happened made it pretty epic. Thank you.